Much of the life story of Florentine artist Lorenzo de Niccolo de Martino remains obscure. We do know, however, that he studied and worked with Niccolo Guerini, one of the most popular and prolific artists at the end of the 1300s. While Martino's early work reflected his teacher's Gothic influence, his later paintings show more lifelike characters. Art historian Everett Fahey notes that compared to Guerini's wooden figures, Martino's characters are remarkably graceful and tender. Seen here for the first time known in Italian art, God the Father is in a standing position directly behind the Son. Early painters typically pictured the subject with the Father seated behind the crucified Christ. Father and Son are also intimately connected by the Father's hand tenderly touching Christ. Emotional intimacy is further reiterated by the placement of the Holy Spirit, represented by the dove, hovering over the head of the suffering Son, but also resting upon the Father's heart. Martino's Trinity is a groundbreaking work, not only for its composition, but also for its prominence as a prototype for the revolutionary master Masaccio, who years later would become one of the founding fathers of the Renaissance. A comparison of Martino's Trinity with Masaccio's later rendering of the same subject for the Santa Maria Novella in Florence highlights the significance of the work in this exhibition.